Okay, hello. I'm going to show you guys how to integrate Canvas apps, like Edpuzzle, Flipgrid, CK12, and Nearpod. Okay. What we're first going to do is we're going to go to our course. I'm in my sandbox. My sandbox is going to look a lot different than yours. Okay. I've been playing around with it. We're going to click on Settings, and then you'll click on Apps, and you can start with Edpuzzle. I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to search for Edpuzzle. Okay. Now, Edpuzzle is the one app that I've already installed, but I'm going to show you how this works. You're going to click Add App, okay? Then you're going to see this little screen show up here. It's going to say Consumer Key and Shared Secret. Now, when you are in Edpuzzle, okay, when you first log in, you will see a screen similar to this, okay? Now, yours is going to look a little bit different than mine. Nothing wrong with that. The thing you are looking for is your little profile picture in the top right next to the question mark. Okay, so go ahead and click on that, and then come down here and click on your name. When you click on your name, you will see 4 tabs: Profile, Settings, School, and Plan. We're going to click on School. Then we're going to come down here and scroll down. We're going to find LMS LTI integration. In the drop-down menu, you pick Canvas. When you do that, you will see the Consumer Key and Shared Secret pop up. Okay. Well, what we'll need to do first is we'll need to copy the consumer key. So click copy. You come back to Canvas, and then you paste. Okay, done with the consumer key. You come back here to Edpuzzle and copy the shared secret. And again, come back to Canvas and click paste. Okay, then you just add the app. Now, I have already installed it. When you do that, sometimes it tends not to work properly. The one thing I will tell you is that logging in to Edpuzzle helps, but you may need to log out of Edpuzzle, log out of Canvas, and then log back into both of them, and that seems to work. If you have issues with it, just let me know, and I'll see what I can do to help you. But if you come back down here on the bottom left, you will see the Edpuzzle. It shows up as one of your little tabs. I'm going to click on Edpuzzle. And what you should see showing up is something similar to this. You'll see your name and what the name of the class is. And if you assign assignments, you can see them there. You can do just like you did in regular Edpuzzle, and see your students answering the questions and so forth and so on. Now, let's see here. Let's go to Edpuzzle real quick. I'm going to see if I can assign a video real quick. Just going to pick a random video here. Let's pick Age of Exploration. Short little video. I'm going to assign that. Okay. Assignment starts today, ends tomorrow. I'm going to come down here and click Save. Okay. You should be able to click the little box here. Not exactly sure what the issue is at this moment. Let's see something. You can also, just to show you how this works, you can also embed it into Canvas using an embedded code. The video will play straight directly into that. It won't save the grade, but again, I may show you that in a later video. Okay. The next one we're going to go to is Flipgrid. Now, Flipgrid, Nearpod, and some other ones I don't have installed. Okay, so I'm going to go search for Flipgrid. Add app. Again, this pops up. Now, Flipgrid is also very easy to find. Once you've logged into Flipgrid, you come up here and you click this little symbol here, the little profile, click on the word integrations. Okay. Now, again, just like you saw with Edpuzzle, you'll see this information here. I'm going to copy the consumer key and I'm going to paste it in here, just like that. I'm going to come back, copy the shared secret. I'm going to paste it in there and then click Add App. Okay, now the app is installed. Okay, And you might have to refresh your page for it to show up. Sometimes they show up easier than others. And I'll let you guys play with Flipgrid once it's installed. Okay, the next one is Nearpod. Now, Nearpod is a little bit trickier to get to. Okay, so you're going to need to make sure you log into Nearpod. You're going to come over here and you're going to click on your profile picture. Okay, I'm going to click on FAQs, frequently asked questions. I'm going to come here to the search bar and I'm going to type in Canvas. When you do that, you'll see some search results. Nearpod and Canvas integration is the one you want. You will click on that. Okay, it will bring you up to this information here. It'll show you where you can generate a consumer key and shared secret. Okay, where you click on is right here where it says here. You can generate both codes here. When you click on that link, it takes you to this page. Okay, then you come down here and you click generate consumer key and shared secret. And here it will pop up. I'm going to copy that. Again, don't forget to search which ones you're going to install. I'm going to paste the consumer key. Come back here and copy the shared secret. Do the same thing and paste. And you add the app. It's as simple as that. Okay. I'm going to check to see if it, I won't do that. And Nearpod has shown up right over here. Okay. Okay, it'll say you're about to permanently link your Canvas account to a Nearpod account. Please make sure you sign in to a school or district licensed Nearpod account in order to use this integration. Yes, I understand. And again, here you will log in again. I will let you guys play with that. Now, the last one I'm going to show you is CK12. Now, some of you have used CK12, some of you know about it. This one is going to be the one that is the most frustrating for you to use. Okay, I'm going to show you why. Go back to settings. You're going to search for the app, CK12. Let's see, acting kind of slow right now. Scroll down here and find it real quick. There it is. All right, so I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to click on it. Again, just like it shows on the right, all the information there is about the app. Again, when you click Add App, the same information is going to show up. The only thing that is different, and I'll show this to you, when you log into CK12 and you scroll down, you go a long way down. Okay? Keep going down, and keep going down. You will see this part right here. Integrate with CK12. You'll see Google Classroom, Canvas, Schoology, Edmodo, Clever, and others. I'm going to click on Canvas. Okay? When I click on Canvas, again, you still have to scroll down. Okay? You will see CK12 on Canvas. I'm going to click CK12 on Canvas, the orange button here. And it will bring me to this role here, or this page here. I am a teacher. As you can see, okay, you need to fill out some information and submit it to CK12. Okay? When you submit that information, they will send you a verification link, and they should be able to send you the consumer key and shared secret. This one takes a lot more steps. I don't normally use CK12 in its full functions. When I use it, I use their textbook sections, and I usually just download those as PDF files. Those of you that go into a little bit further than that, I'm sure that you guys can figure out how to incorporate CK12 and its functions into Canvas. Again, I'd have to play around with that a little bit, but I just wanted to show you where to find how you get your CK12 links. Okay. Again, if I can help you guys in any way with the integration, they can be a little tricky. So sometimes you have to make sure you're logged in, logged out, logged into the apps. Sometimes they'll load, sometimes they won't the first time. Just keep trying. Log out of everything and then log back in. I know it's frustrating. We're all learning something new. I would not recommend you assign these the first week of school. Just do some basic stuff, and you guys will be just fine. We'll probably would help if you would do like a little test session with your kids with each of these apps, just to see if they work on their side. You can also use the student view in Canvas, but again, you might see this, you might not. Sometimes you can see things on Canvas on the student view, sometimes you can't. Okay, but if you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time, and I'm here for you.